In today's video, I will teach you how to create a hard beveled stony text effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP and creating a new image with a size of 1200 by 500 pixels with a black background. Then select the text tool and set the size to 250. Then choose a medium gray color for the text. Then write the text in the middle of the canvas. Then use the alignment tool to center the text horizontally and vertically on the canvas. And then go to Layer, then Layer to Image Size. This renders the image, making it a regular layer. Now right-click the text layer again and choose Output to Selection. Now go to Select, then Feather, and set it to at least 15 pixels to soften the selection edges. Now go to Select, then Save to Channel. This saves the selection to a new channel in the Channels dialog. And to deselect the selection, simply go to Select, then None. Now activate the text layer again in the Layers panel, then go to Filters, Map, then Bump Map. Then choose the blurred text channel as the bump map source. Then adjust the settings as needed to create a beveled text effect. Now select the background layer, fill it with a darker gray color, then go to Filters, Noise, then choose HSV Noise, and set the values to 2, 15, 0, then create a new transparent layer above the background layer. Then go to Windows, Dockable Dialog, then Paint Dynamics. Then use various brushes with dynamics to add a grungy texture. Then experiment with other brushes. With the textured layer selected, go to Filters, Distort, then Emboss. Then use the following settings. Now use the Dodge and Burn tool with the texture brush to lighten or darken areas of the background, enhancing depth. Optionally, you can lower the layer opacity slightly to blend with the noisy background layer. Then duplicate the text layer for the shadow effect. Then move the duplicate layer above the original text layer. Then lock the transparency of the shadow layer. Then fill the layer with pure black. To do this, you can go to Edit, then Fill with foreground color. Then unlock the transparency. Now go to Filters, Blur, then Motion Blur, and choose Linear. Now go to Colors, then Curves on the alpha channel of the shadow layer to adjust the layer's intensity and softness. Then move the shadow layer below the original text layer for proper layer stacking. And for additional detailing, you can start by fine-tuning the image by adding gradients or using a soft brush to darken specific areas of the background or the text. Optionally, you can add color balance adjustments to the highlights or specific elements to enhance the overall look. and you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.